What is the sequence of 5 stages of action in their occurrence given by Dhanajaya in his work Dasrupa? So the first one is Aram. It means the beginning. The second is Yatna. Yatna means the effort. It means the hero is making an effort, right, to sail through the problem. Third is your pratyasha. It means prospect of success. The hero is thinking he might get successful. Fourth is niyatapti. Niyatapti means the certainty of success. Fifth one is your phalgama. Phalgama means the attainment of the result. Right? So these are the 5 stages of action given by Dhananjay in his work Dasrupa. This was also asked in the previous UGC NET examination. Right? For more such videos, follow Mission Abhyas. Thank you.